Hi guys, welcome to Rhinofeed. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Canon VIXIA HF R21 camcorder. This is an HD video camera, so yeah, most of them are HD nowadays, even the little ones with the tiny puny little lenses, but this is 1920 by 1080 and it actually has a decent lens. So this is a consumer camera, obviously. Most devices are made for consumers. On the back, which is the only panel on this box that has any information, it tells you about 3 times that it's HD, so yeah, they really want you to know that. On the left hand side here you'll see what comes in the box. So you have the camcorder, a power adapter, battery pack, HDMI cable, stereo video cable, USB cable, stylus pen for the touchscreen, which I'm assuming you probably don't need to use a stylus pen to use a touchscreen, the software drivers, and a AC cable. Yeah. So let's open this up. So that is your warranty card. Important stuff right there. Transfer utility. Video browser. I don't know if I'm going to be using any of these at all, or I don't know. And those are probably the drivers and applications. More stuff, basically. A manual, an installation guide. Wow. I need to pay attention to the camera. No, this camera? No, this camera. That camera. No, the other camera. In the box, you'll see some cables. That is your USB cable, right? Let's open this so you can actually see. This, I'm not sure if anyone actually uses this anymore. Component video cables. Audio? I don't know why component would be going, because it has video. I don't know. And in here you have your USB to USB mini. This is your HDMI cable. Mini HDMI, by the way, to regular HDMI. And this is your power adapter, I'm assuming. Very nice. That's nice and compact. And this looks very proprietary. I don't like proprietary things. They're unnecessary. Focus. Yeah, super proprietary, but oh well. And here is your battery, which, wow, is a lot smaller than I was expecting. It's about half the size as a Canon T2i battery. This is peculiar. I have no idea what that is for. Sorry, guys. And the best part, the camera itself. No, bubble wrap, that's actually what I'm interested in. Yeah, that's why I unboxed this entire box. Woohoo! Okay, so here's the camera itself. Very compact. Fits in, there's my hand size, so very nice. Very large screen. And flip around to the other angle. You have all your various buttons here on the side. Video snap, HDMI. This is creating a shadow. USB, mic input, which some lower end models don't have mic inputs, so that's nice that they included that. And I think they have 2 SD card slots on the side here. A big recording button and a mic. Is that a microphone? Not sure. That says photos, so I guess you can take photos. And these are some other ports here. This is your AC. That was the component cable out and headphone out. Very nice looking camera. Let's see this. No, that's probably the microphone, so I don't know what this is. Maybe there's 2 microphones. Tripod mount, obviously, and this is probably for the battery. Battery open. Okay, so they actually put the battery on the bottom of the device versus on some other camcorders I've seen, they just put it right here on the back. Alrighty. Let's look at a cactus while I end this video. Thank you for watching this very video, and please check out my website and Twitter, Nathaniel_H and Rhinofeed.com. Not exactly in the proper order, but check them both out. Thank you for watching.